For years, I've struggled with these manual pruning shears. I mean, they work and all, but you got to do a lot of energy inputting into reaching and bending over. Today, I'm going to check out this new 2-in-1 Hedge shears that was sent to me to try out. This has sharp dual blades. Let's go ahead and try this out and see if we can get this manicured. This blade has a 5.9-inch cutting width, making it pretty efficient when you're brushing through here with your strokes. You're able to cut branches with a diameter up to 0.32 inches. We've gotten the top portion here more or less, but we just need to get down here a little bit and shape it a little bit more so it looks kind of more like a uniform ball shape. And I'm just going through here and letting the blades do all the work, just kind of guiding the blades onto the branches. We'll clean up some of this stuff down here. One of the things I like about this small hedge trimmer is it's very quiet. That's one of the big takeaways when I first turned it on. It's how quiet it is versus a lot of gardening equipment that you see in your neighborhood. It can be quite loud. Just about 10 minutes, I was able to single-handedly use my hedge shears to shape this hedge. And now this one's gonna need a trim as well. That should take me maybe another 5 to 10 minutes at the max. So this took less than 10 minutes. So 2 of these hedges, these bushes, took less than 20 minutes. I would say maybe 8 minutes each. They get really precise. It might take longer, but if you're just in a hurry and just want to get them trimmed, this is going to do the job for you. Now these are 2-in-1, meaning if you want to swap these out and instead of trimming shrubs, you're going to press these 2 buttons on the side and that'll unlock that. And now you have grass shears, just like that. This has like a scissor-like action when it cuts through your grass blades. If you need to do any trimming around your sprinklers in your lawn, these blades are really sharp. It goes right through quickly. Or if you want to do edging, and once you're finished, charge them back up with the USB-C supplied cord, and they'll turn green once they're fully charged.